When washing locks, you want to liquefy your shampoo so it can penetrate the locks easily. You want to focus on the scalp first by using the palm of your hand to scrub the front, the side, and the middle. Squeezing the locks while shampooing allows the buildup to be removed from the locks. Make sure you squeeze the locks from the new growth to where the locks start. It can sometimes have product buildup. You want to repeat this about at least 3 times or until you don't see any buildup inside the hair or it makes it a squeaky sound. After the shampoo, I recommend applying a lightweight conditioner into the locks. Massage it until you no longer see the conditioner. You can add some water to the locks to make the conditioner spread all over the locks. Having a steam treatment helps to moisturize the locks. Allow the client to sit under the steamer for at least 20 minutes. After that, you want to rinse the locks with cool water. Before twisting the locks, I apply a light leave-in conditioner spray and add a lightweight oil on the scalp. I then rub the new grow hair with our lock butter stick. It is also lightweight. When retwisting a client hair, you want to first find out if the client prefers a firm hold or is more concerned about keeping the locks moisturized. In this case, I choose a butter because the client prefers her locks to be soft. I recommend a lightweight gel if the client is looking for a more firm feel. Separate the locks in 4 sections and working section. It helps to speed up the process. I prefer to use my hand to part the hair. It helps me to move faster. I make sure I grab all the loose hair around the locks, and I bring them into the locks. I palm roll the locks into a diagonal motion and use a clip to hold it in place. I like to palm roll the entire locks because it helps to keep it smooth. I choose to interlock the front of her locks to keep it from unraveling quickly. When interlocking the root, you want to start by putting the end of the locks into the loop and enter the locks into the new groove by using a north, south, east, west pattern. Think of the root of the locks as a compass. You are using the locks to enter into the different points of the compass, which are north, south, east, west. You do not want to enter into the same point twice. After interlocking, you also want to palm roll the locks to make it smooth. Applying the foam around the edges and using a wrapping paper to cover the front of the edges allows to keep the front of the edges smooth. Place the client under the dryer for 45 minutes or until it is fully dry.